Hello everybody, this is A.B. Ramana before you today with a new topic on Transfer Property Act. Today I'll be covering section 68 of Transfer Property Act. That is right to sue for mortgage money. When the mortgage money has become due to the mortgagee, when can the mortgagee recover this money? Under what circumstances can the mortgagee recover this money? The section before you, the section which is highlighted before you is for your reference sake. Let me not read the section. I will go to the explanation part. Explanation part is when the mortgagee can enforce the right to recover his mortgage money. When the mortgagor binds himself to pay the money on time and if he fails to pay the money on time, the mortgagee has a right to sue for mortgage money. That is one circumstance. Second circumstance, the property which the mortgagor has given to the mortgagee and that property has become insufficient in value. Insufficient in value. It may be not because of the fault of the mortgagor or mortgagee. As we have explained in section 66, I have put the link below for your convenience sake. You can see the link. If the property value has come down, in such cases also, the mortgagee can enforce the right of recovering the mortgage money. If the mortgagee, the security has become insufficient because of the wrongful act of the mortgagor, in such cases also, the mortgagee can enforce the right of recovering his mortgage money from the mortgagor. If the mortgage does not deliver the mortgage property to the mortgagee, then the mortgagee can enforce the right of recovering the mortgage money. For example, in a case of usufruct the mortgagee, the mortgagor may not deliver the possession of the property to the mortgagee. In such case, the mortgagee may enforce the right to recover the mortgage money. In case the property is transferred, the mortgagor transfers the property. In such cases, a transferee cannot be sued. The legal representative or trustee of the mortgagor can be sued to transfer, or the mortgagor can be sued to recover the mortgage money. In case there are many mortgages, many mortgage. For example, A has got property, three, four properties, and he has committed charge on these properties. A is a mortgagor and B is a mortgagee. He has given all the properties to B on mortgage. In case the mortgage money has become due on one property, the court has discretion to stay the proceeding. In case property money has become due on one particular property, the court may stay the proceeding until the mortgagee exercises all the right on the other property available to him. The court will tell the mortgagee to exercise all his remedy, exhaust the remedy available with him, enforce the remedies available with him, and see that you recover the mortgage money from the properties available with you. And only after having done so, the court will exercise the right. In other words, the court will stay the proceeding till the mortgagee fails to exercise his right. This is what is explained in section 68 of Transfer Property Act. If you like my channel, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubt regarding this section, please comment in the comment box so that I can reply as early as possible. Thank you.